Henry, did you climb over the gate?
What's Mommy?
Are you going to climb to the top of the stairs now?
I go downstairs.
You want to go downstairs?
Yeah.
Should we move the gate?
Oh yeah.
Okay, we'll put the gate back.
Push the button.
Oh, you want to push a button?
Yeah.
Can you show us how you climb over the gate?
Now push the button. Now push the button.
Oh my goodness.
Push the button. I push the button.
You want to push the button?
Yeah.
Can you say, "Hi everybody"?
I push the button. Push the button. Push the button. Please.
How do you ask nicely, Henry?
With a phone.
A phone?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you going to call somebody?
I push the button.
How do you ask nicely?
We have a push a button. Please.
May you have a push a button, please?
Yeah.
Okay.